So here's our situation. We have a coordinate class and it has a properties x and y which are both integer. And next, we have a base form wherein we implement our coordinate class and we call it as same coordinate. The next, we have a child form wherein we inherit the base form. So basically, the coordinate property will show on the properties window. So let's just check. So there it is, but as you can see, it looks like read only, and it does not show the x and y properties. So our goal will be to create something like this location. So you can see the parent and its child properties. And at the same time, you can edit its value. So to start, we will change the class into struct or structure. And then we will add the constructor with a parameter which it will set the value of x and y properties. So let's just build. So you can see the value of the coordinate property. So it changed. So it shows main application that coordinate. So to change this, we just need to override the toString function. So just rebuild again. So good start so far. Next step, we will add a reference to system.component model, and we will set the type converter uh, of this class. So let's call it coordinate converter. So this is also where the magic starts. So let's now add this type coordinate converter class. Next, let's make it public. We will add the system.component model again. And we need to inherit the type converter class. So let's just update its comment. So basically, this class is used by the designer to render the properties in the properties window and also to save or serialize the code generated to the designer.cs file. Next step, we need to override methods or end functions. So first, can convert to, convert from, convert to, create instance, get create instance supported, get properties, and get properties supported. Next, we need to modify the method and function. So first, the can convert from. So since we have an implementation of the toString, we need to allow the conversion from string. So also on the can convert to, So we need to allow string. And if also the type is an instance descriptor. So as the namespace suggests, design serialization. So it is in charge on the uh, saving to the designer. So next, convert from. So basically, we just need to cast to our class or object type. So since we have the parameter value, we can straightforward cast it. The next, the convert to. So since we have the toString, we just need to call it and return the value converted to string. And the next one is the instance descriptor, as we added on the can convert to method or function. So we just need to return a new instance of instance descriptor. So it has two parameters. So the first one is the constructor. So we just need to get the instance of the constructor of our coordinate class. So we need to use system.reflection. So since it's an array, we just need to get the index 0. So the next argument is the parameter. So since uh, we put the value in the toString, we can extract it and store it in a list. So list of int, since our parameter is integers. So we will convert the value to string. We just remove the space and we will split based on the uh, comma. And we just need to parse it as integer. There it is. Next is the create instance function. So basically, we just need to call the constructor and supply the x and y parameter. Since we have a property values which is iDictionary, we can extract the x and y values. And we need to parse it as integer. The next, we just need to return true. For the get properties function, we just need to do something like this. And it will already return a property descriptor collection. Lastly, we just need to return true. Now we can build and test. Sometimes you need to close Visual Studio before building the class or the project. So let's just reopen. And now let's build it. Let's go to the child form design. Let's check the properties. So there it is, the coordinate and the x and y. So let's put some value. So it's working. And let's check the designer.cs. So there it is. Let's close the solution. Reopen. And there you go.